Is it white? Which color? Oh, now I can see it clearly. Okay. So this is the color of the crow. It is black in color. Okay, they were two friends, the crow and a peacock. The crow and the peacock. And peacock has beautiful wings, right? Does the crow have beautiful wings? No. So one day the crow and peacock were talking to each other. What they were doing? Talking. बात कर रहे थे. Okay. So what happened? Wait. Have you seen the peacock feathers? Have you seen the peacock feathers? Okay. So what happened? The peacock said, I am very, very beautiful. There is nobody as beautiful as me. And he was making fun of whom? The crow. The peacock was telling the crow, you are not beautiful, you are ugly, you're dark. I don't like you. And she was very proud. She said, I am the only beautiful person in the forest. So the crow was very angry. Do you say like this to your friends? No, right? So we should always say good things with our friends. But the peacock did not understand. The peacock felt she is the most beautiful bird. Okay, we can have the questions later, okay, after the story, fine? So, one day what happened, the crow also wanted to look beautiful like the peacock. Okay, so the crow was very sad. The crow said, even I want to look beautiful like you. Then one day what happened, all the peacock feathers fell down. Where did it fall? It fell down on the forest. So what the crow did, he came running and took one feather and put it in his bag. Again he came running. He took one more feather and put on his bag. Again he came running, put so many. Now what did the crow said? The crow told the peacock, now I look beautiful. Even I want to look beautiful. Why should only you look beautiful? So the crow was very jealous. What was the crow? He was very jealous. Should we be jealous with our friends? No, we should always be kind. Okay. So the crow said, see, now I look beautiful. And then the peacock said, then peacock understood that we should not make fun of our friends. So what did the peacock say? I am sorry, my friend. I will not make fun of you anymore. We all look beautiful. Can you give me back my feathers? And then the crow gave back the feathers to the peacock. And now they are good friends. They're doing huggy. Both of them are saying, thank you. They're doing yes. So what did we learn today? We should not be proud. We should not have jealousy. Okay? We should love everybody. Yes. So see how many feathers the peacock has. See such beautiful feathers. So many feathers. See? And now they are friends. The crow and the peacock are friends. See, they are friends now. The crow said, I will not be jealous, and the peacock also said, we should not be jealous towards our friends. We should always be very kind and happy to each other. Okay? Okay.
And then we will start the story of the jealous peacock. So we are learning jealousy also. So what are the things?